back to the Seattle vlogs, everybody. So we just got out of the Unleash the Archers meet and greet. It's pretty fun, got to see the band, got to take some pictures, put it right here for you. But now we're just wandering around downtown Seattle until the show starts. It should be a lot of fun. We're gonna go to Seattle Center now. We're gonna hop on the bus. It should be some fun. Might go up to the Space Needle, we'll see. So the day we're down here, it's raining. We're gonna find some stuff to do, bring you along. Alright, we found our way into the Museum of Pop Culture today, and it's a cool place that's dedicated to all kinds of different stuff. They got all kinds of cool exhibits and whatnot. They have this cool projector that lit up the ground and said, "The Museum of Pop Culture's mission is to make creative expression a life-changing force by offering experience that inspire and connect our communities." So I thought that was pretty cool, and I love everything pop culture, obviously, right between music and, as you know, movies and nerd stuff. It's all great. So we're exploring that today, seeing what it's all about. Alright, checking back in with you real quick. The museum was awesome, and then we stopped and got some pizza at Zeke's Pizza. Pretty sweet place, definitely recommend. Now we're headed to the show. There was a long line that spread around the corner, so hopefully we get in. It is a rainy day here, and it is cold. Whew, can't hear anything. That was a good show. Thanks for joining. If you want to see how the concert went, check out my video next week. It's gonna be kind of a fan video. Seattle's been awesome. Huge shout out to Coleman's family. Happy birthday, Coleman. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Please remember to hit subscribe if you enjoyed or want to see any of the stuff coming up. The Unleash the Archers video, the Dubai stuff, any of that. But love to have you. Thanks for watching, and
Go